Hello everyone and welcome to VSCodes. In today's tutorial we're going to see how to install Python on a Windows machine. So whether you are a beginner just diving into the world of programming or an experienced developer looking to install Python on a new machine, this video is exactly for you. So Python is a very powerful and easy programming language used in web development and data science and machine learning. So in this video, we're going to see how exactly do we install Python on our machine. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing we want to do is actually download the Python interpreter itself. So to do that, we just have to head to python.org. So here we are on python.org. We have this menu down here. We just have to come to the download section and go to the Windows. So if you are on other platform, you can just use the other options here, but the main focus of this video is how to install it on Windows. So we are going to hit with the Windows option here, and then we scroll down. So this is the stable releases, and we can see that we have the latest version to be Python 3.12. so we have the embedded package or the MSI. So I'm just going to use the MSI, and in case you are on a 32-bit machine, just download the 32-bit installer. So I'm on the a 64-bit machine, so I'm going to download the 64-bit installer, and just like that it's downloading. So let's just wait for the download to complete. And there we go. So all we have to do is open up our file explorer, head to our downloads folder, and this is the installer over here. So I'm just going to double click on it to launch it. So let me close my browser here. So it says install Python 3.12 64-bit. So what I want you to do right now is make sure you check on the add python.exe to path, so that we can access Python from everywhere on our computer. If this option is not checked, we won't be able to access Python from other sections of our computer, like from the command line or through Visual Studio Code. So after making sure the both of these are checked, let's just hit on the install now button, and let's wait for it to install. So we just have to give it the permissions, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to pause the recording for now and play it after the installation is complete. So see ya. Okay, so welcome back. Hope your setup was also successful. As you can see, mine was successful. So all we have to do is just close it here, and to check if the installation was actually successful, we just have to hit Windows plus R and then open up CMD. And here all we have to do is just type in Python -v. Okay, I think it's -v. Yeah, so here we can see the version Python 3.12.1. so I'm just going to quit this out and then exit. So the next thing we want to do is jump into Visual Studio Code. So this will be our main IDE to write in our Python code. So let's just head over to the extension tabs, and then inside of here let's just search for Python. So we're going to download this one by Microsoft here. I already have it installed. Just go on ahead and click on the install button, and it's going to install everything you need to start writing your Python code. So I'm going to close that up, come back into the Explorer and create a new file. So I'll just double click over here and then go Ctrl+Shift+S to save it. You can create a new folder. I'm just going to store this on my desktop. I'm going to call it test, and then for the type, this is going to be Python. So let's just give it a name in here, test.py, and that's it. So inside of here, let's try writing our code. Let's just print like and subscribe for more. So now up here we are going to have in a play button here, and this button is used to run our code. This was added by the extension we just installed, so I'm just going to click on it. As you can see, if I hover over it, it said run Python file, and here down here we see it says like and subscribe for more. So there we go, we have our Python up and running in our Windows machine. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'm also working on a Python series for beginners, so if you are looking forward to learning Python from scratch, or maybe you have someone who wants to learn Python and doesn't know where to start, just recommend the channel to him. You can just forward this video to him. Thank you. See you in the next one.